the vented soffit detail. So I'm going to strip this out over this insulation with 3/4 inch 1x. And inside here I have screen, so it will vent here, come over, stay in this 3/4 inch air gap, and vent from soffit to soffit. So my siding and my roofing will be vented the same temperature as the exterior of this building. Then my layer of 1.5 inch EPS foam board, I have that under here too, with an ice and water shield peel and stick, 3/4 inch air gap, and then a standing seam metal roof.